Hi guys, once again welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now in our news today, it's so sad. A 22-year-old woman tragically froze to death after spending 18 hours in her car while trying to wait out a historic snowstorm currently devastating Buffalo. Anndel Taylor died over the weekend after her vehicle was stranded in snow Friday afternoon on her way home from work. She's just one of the 35 who have succumbed to frigid conditions currently being seen in New York's second-largest city. The death toll was released in a statement by officials Monday, who announced that Taylor was one of the 3 motorists found dead in a car defiantly taking on the road despite a ban on personal road travel that remains in effect. It was stated that Taylor sent a video to her family before she died and was trapped in a vehicle for 18 hours as more than 50 inches of snow surrounded her.